Hi everyone. I've just received a really nice present from a very lovely company called Escoda. What a treat. I am so excited. So excited. Right. So, very nicely packaged. Uh, let's get... I can hardly wait. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. What a treat. Spanish company. Lovely brushes by the looks of it. And here there's a full manual description, what we think, some write-up about their brushes. It looks like they have several different series. Let's have a look. So we're gonna start with the synthetic travel brush set for watercolor. Synthetic travel set for watercolor. I'm actually so excited. My heart is racing. Oh, look at this. It's what every watercolorist wants. A travel set. God, that is really exciting. So what have we got here? Oh my goodness. We've got a size 16. We've got a size 10. And we've got a size 6. Amazing. I think I'm gonna try out the size 6. Let's get rid of the glue first. It feels so nice. Escoda, I love you. Right, I'm going to try that. So let's just see what it's like. Okay, get rid of the water. Let's try some neutral tint and see what it feels like. This is really nice paper as well. Ah, amazing. I love it. It feels brilliant. It just is lovely handle, lovely feel, holds a lot of water. Yes, sorry, am I getting too excited? This is really sad, isn't it? Getting so excited over a brush. But I tell you what, I really like this brush. I'm just going to now pause this video and tell you what these brushes will cost. This is size 16, 10 and a 6, and they are £42 for the whole travel set. And I tell you what, I'd pay that all day long. That is such a nice brush. It's lovely. So this is the, again, this is the Prado synthetic brush. And the next one I'm gonna try is the Perla range, which comes in a leather case. Love it, really nice brush. Happy to use it all the time. I'm not gonna go anywhere without this brush. Actually, one thing we need to try is, let's just break the glue and see what that is like. Just a big brush, just to see how that behaves. Yeah, as I expected. Very, very nice. Lots and lots of water in there. Yeah, it can, this will go on forever. This brush can hold so much. It's a synthetic travel brush. Right, so I'm gonna try that. Just wanted to check one thing, is once you finish with it, how easy does it go back without... Yeah, that's the only thing that worries me, is whether this brush is gonna go back in the case without damaging the hairs. I think I'll wait for it to dry and see what happens. That's my only concern with this one, is I think the others will be fine because they're tightly packed. So I think this will be okay. So I can use that and then dry it. Yeah, that's fine. That goes in very easily. I think that's the only concern on the big brush. So we'll wait and see once this is completely dry. The next bit of excitement is the perla in the leather case. Not sure whether it's real leather or not, but it certainly feels really nice. It looks nice. I look like such a pro with this. And this one has 3 brushes. The smallest is a size 2. Then you've got a size 6 and a size 8, I hope, 10, same thing. Amazing. So let's have a look. These are synthetic brushes again. They feel just as nice. And let's have a look at what they do with some watercolor in them. Oh wow, that feels so good. That really does feel very, very nice. Yeah, lovely, holds a lot of water. The nib is nice and clean. The snap is great. Comes back to where you want it to come back, which is the original. And I can get a lot of variety in there. Look, yeah, very, very, very nice brush. Beautiful brush. I'm going to be the envy of everybody that watches me. I think I'm going to do a tutorial and I'm going to use these. So let's try the size 2, because I do a lot of fine work and I think that's quite nice for fine work. I put a lot of water in here. Let's see how stable that is. Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look. And then you can go really thin. Yeah, in fact, I now need Escoda to send me a liner, and that's it. All my desires are complete. Very, very nice brush. Highly recommended. Again, about £45. Synthetic, great travel brush. Highly recommended. One last thing before you go away. If the brush is still damp, which this is, you put it back in. Oh, this is the hard one. So the brush is damp and there is a hole at the end. So even if the brush is damp, you can put it back in the case and obviously it's going to breathe. So that's very, very well done. Good thinking. And they all have that hole at the end. Perfect. Beautiful brushes by Escoda.